I was going to go down the mega DJ producer route, but
He's a mega DJ.
Well, go for it.
as in Nero.
Oh, don't mess about these youth-like terms. I don't understand. Mega DJ. I'm not one of those.
I'm at the edge of my knowledge, to be honest, but
It makes a good cup of coffee.
Is that like Shakademus and pliers?
fairly similar, I'm sure.
I wonder what Shakademus is doing now.
Or pliers.
Yeah, pliers for that matter.
He works down at home base.
Big, yeah.
Selling pliers. He just stands in front of a wall of pliers going
What
on.
is this bloke
I'm
bowling?
looking for a monkey wrench. No,
He's
I only
bowled
do
out of the back
pliers.
of his hand, isn't he?
Yeah, Chris will pick him.
Was
that a bump?
Almost
I'll tell you that
epic
wasn't a
moment
catch.
of my
That wasn't a catch by the reaction.
Yeah.
That was a catch, wasn't it?
Nah.
Yeah, it was. You're watching a different game.
Those not giggles. It's 2 out of 5.
Yeah, you might have to get the old sweep out of the bag, Rich.
Indeed. That's how to play the next one.
Nice bit of sweepage, yeah.
Play on the leg.
Well, he's got playing there. Click the ball. I can click the ball.
That's great. That's the way
I hate spinners as well, they should be banned. Spinners, left armers, all of them, they should all be banned.
Just anyone who can get me out. That should be.
Yeah, that's well beyond spinners and left armers. Pretty much anyone.
Oh my god, it's just slapping them. Both giggly and like